to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to review and show swatches of SFR 60 color new palette artistic eyeshadow. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your all friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is SFR 60 color new palette artistic eyeshadow which I bought recently from JyotiJiya Store, and the price is just rupees 360. So if you also want to buy, then I will give the link in the description box. Go please check it out. So in this palette you will get 60 different color eyeshadow, and you will get both matte and shimmery shade. So this is a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette and you can use it in various ways as you like. So first talk about its packaging. It comes in this plastic case which is not that much of good quality plastic, but how much you pay it worth it. It is neither too sturdy nor flimsy. So when we open, you will get one small mirror here and 5 small eyeshadow brushes, which is of no use for me, but you can use it to apply eyeshadow. So here you can see different types of shades in matte and shimmer. You can get different color like pink, green, blue, black, brown, and you can get different transition shade also like this. So I use it once, and this eyeshadow is highly pigmented. I will show you some swatches. It blends very easily. The fallout is very little because it contains matte eyeshadow, so it is obvious to have some fallout, but it's not chalky. So this eyeshadow palette is very useful multi-purpose palette for beginners because you will get so many shades and color in just one palette. So this steal deal, and I will highly recommend this to everyone if you want affordable eyeshadow palette in very reasonable price. So if you want to buy, I will give the link in the description box, so go and check it out. So let's see the swatches of this SFR eyeshadow palette. So first I will swatch this line 12 color eyeshadow. Now I will swatch this line. swatch the third line. Now I will swatch the fourth line. Now last I will swatch the last fifth line. So hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.